Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today you're in for a treat. I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for this amazing roasted chicken breast. This chicken breast has been marinating overnight in a citrus herbs and garlic marinade. It takes on a Cuban style Mojo chicken. It's absolutely delicious. It's juicy, it's tender. So I do hope you'll stick around to see how I put together this phenomenal, very tasty chicken breast. While you stick around, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. So for this chicken recipe, to get started, I marinated it for about 24 hours overnight with a beautiful citrus season with lots of herbs. Okay, so let me show you how to make the marinade. To make the marinade, I'm adding orange juice, lemon juice, freshly squeezed, onions. You want to finely dice the onions. Fresh cilantro, finely chopped as well. Fresh oregano, about 1 tablespoon, finely chopped. Garlic, fresh garlic, either crushed or minced is fine. I'm using a spice mix made of sea salt. You could use kosher if you like. Ground cumin, as well as fresh black pepper. Give it a good mix. I'm using 2 large chicken breasts, half-size breasts that I scored. I'm adding it to the marinade and coating the chicken very well. You can do this part in a Ziploc bag. And then I'm going to cover the bowl and refrigerate this for about 24 hours. 18 to 24 hours is good. The printable recipe is available on my food blog. So our chicken's been marinating for 24 hours overnight in this beautiful season. I'm just going to give it a little shake around here. It's beautiful. I'm going to transfer it to my sheet pan that I've lined with parchment paper. So I'm about to stick this into the oven, which has been preheating at 425 degrees. The chicken breasts are just about done, so let's take a look. How beautiful does that look? Wow, the moment of truth. This looks so moist and tender, juicy. The flavors are marvelous. A little bit of tanginess from the sweetness from the orange and tanginess from the lemon juice. It's just perfect. It's juicy, it's tender. You can't go wrong with making this dish. So I do hope you'll take some time to try it and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!